We're very conscious of the Hauraki Gulf and the state of it. What we're specifically doing is developing electric ferries, and we see that as a great way of growing the use of public transport through decarbonising that, reducing the impact of that public transport.
I think going plastic free for events is the absolute bare minimum that we can do. Secondly, day-to-day use, eliminating those same products, and thirdly, eliminating plastic from getting into our water once it's in the environment. So we've invested in a sea bin, and we're using that technology to capture all of that rubbish.
Our product called Litter Trap, it's a cheap, accessible item that certainly functionally stops litter, organic material and plastics from going into drains and therefore through to the waterway.
Our business is a big user of water. We're concerned about the impact of that water on the environment and always looking at ways to reduce the amount of water we use. We've signed up as a foundation partner for 1 million metres. We've been involved now in about 17 plantings throughout New Zealand, which has resulted in many hundreds of metres of waterway being re-established for the betterment of the New Zealand environment.
Along with seeing the big ticket items of whales and dolphins, a massive part of what we do is about education and inspiration, so inspiring our passengers into protecting what they are seeing, what they are enjoying out there. So it's all about conservation, and that starts with the purity of the water.
We've got some challenges with the quality of the water and a lot of the stuff you can't see, and we think business can play an important role in finding solutions, and the America's Cup is the time for us to do that.